Imagine stepping into a world where the highs and lows of currency trading are within your grasp, all from the comfort of your phone. In Forex Royale, the global financial market becomes your personal playground. No risk, only rewards for mastering your skills. You choose your path, whether it's battling real-time market shifts, testing your intuition against cryptocurrencies, or competing with friends to climb the leaderboards. Each day brings new tasks designed to build your knowledge, unlock strategies, discover insider tips, and execute trades with accuracy. Every move you make unfolds against a dynamic backdrop. The world markets are alive and changing, mirroring real conditions but free from the worry of financial loss. Meet Alex, an ambitious learner who just discovered Forex Royale. At first, unfamiliar charts and market jargon loom large. But as Alex accepts daily challenges and dives into simulations, confidence grows. Progress unlocks key concepts: pips, leverage, candlesticks, and more. Soon, Alex meets Maya, a savvy trader, on the community leaderboard. A friendly rivalry sparks, motivating both to hone their techniques, track currencies, and predict trends together. Throughout the journey, tips, tutorials, and performance feedback light the way. With zero real money involved, mistakes become lessons, and victories build expertise without consequence. Soon, Alex and Maya join an in-app tournament, their virtual trades drawing digital applause as they jostle for the top spot. Forex Royale transforms complex global trading into an interactive challenge, making learning exciting and genuinely rewarding. Whether you're a total beginner or a market enthusiast, the experience awaits, risk-free, fun, and endlessly engaging. Ready to level up? Join now and let the market adventure begin.
Do you know October is the 8th month of the year? Why they changed it? The first Roman calendar, around 700 BCE. It had 10 months and started in March. Order month, March 1st, April 2nd, May 3rd, June 4th, 5 Quintilis, 6 Sextilis, September 7th, October 8th, November 9th, December 10th. Winter wasn't counted as months at all, it was just leftover days. Around 713 BCE, King Numa Pompilius fixed the calendar by adding January for new beginnings and government business, February for purification and religious rituals. They were placed before March, pushing all months forward, which is why October is now the 10th month even though it means 8. In 44 BCE, Quintilis was renamed July to honor Julius Caesar. In 8 BCE, Sextilis was renamed August to honor Emperor Augustus, because several of his major victories happened that month. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.